There's something that's so classy about having a brilliant pair of stud earrings. I'm Gina with WTI, and I am completely in love with this halo style set that I got from adoyi. First off, these look like $1,000,000, but you don't have to break the bank to get them. They're made from moissanite, which has a higher refractive index than a diamond does. So it's gonna sparkle and shine more than any diamond and at a fraction of the cost. Secondly, these are so elegant, and I feel like I can wear them not just when I'm dressed up, but also when I'm dressed down. They're so dazzling, but not in an overdone way. Also, these are 18 karat gold plating over sterling silver, so they don't bother my ears. I do have some sensitivity sometimes. You even get a certificate of authenticity, so you know that these are super high quality stones. They're D-color VVS1. You're going to be instantly impressed by that sparkle. You cannot go wrong with this set of earrings, either for yourself or as a gift, and that's my point of view.